Hey Siri, turn on lights.
Okay, the Xiaomi light strip is on.
Hey Siri, turn off lights.
Okay, the Xiaomi light strip is off.
Bring it.
Game over.
Hey Google, turn on lights.
Turning the lights on.
Hey Google, lights to red.
Actually, the lights doesn't support that functionality.
Hey Google, dim lights.
I like it when I hear, "Hey Google," I know to listen.
Hey Google, lights off.
Got it. Turning the lights off.
Hey Siri, lights on.
Okay.
Hey Siri, lights to red.
Okay, red.
Hey Siri, dim lights.
Okay. I set the light strip to 75%.
Hey Siri, brightness to 25%.
Okay. I set the light strip to 25%.
Hey Siri, lights off.
Done.
Hey Siri, good morning.
Good morning. The scene is set.
Hey Siri, good night.
The scene is set. Good night.
Thank you so much for watching. This is my first video here on YouTube and I hope you find this content useful as you consider getting a smart light strip for yourself. Please hit like and comment on what are your thoughts or questions about the Yeelight Light Strip Plus and I'll try to get back to you on that. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you'll be updated on the next video. See you guys at the next one.